Hello everyone, this is Margot from Celestory, and today we will look into the creation of an escape game from your Celestory app. So an escape game is a clue-finding test to solve puzzle in the form of input codes to help you get out of a room in the time allotted. So as you can see, we are starting here as usual from a pre-existing example that has been edited for the purpose of this tutorial and that you can find amongst the example of Celestory under the name Escape Game. So basically in this example, you are on a ship that is about to go down and you need to find a key to escape the captain's quarter before the waters rush in. And the solution to get out of the room is to open a drawer and remember a code, enter the code into a lock to retrieve the key and use the key to open the captain's door. So when we play the cat module, you'll see how about it's presented. So as you can see, you've got a certain number of action, which is your time allotted, and then you have different actions that you can do. So open the desk drawer, find a code, and then go on to the next step, etc., etc. So we can now go on and look at the main blocks that you will need to create an escape game. So the first block and the main block that you will ever need is a choice block, which you have in purple right here. And here, the choice are interaction on which it is possible to come back. Every outing, so for example, here we have three kind of choice: open the chest, open the desk drawer, open the room door, and every outing has its own modification ball that you have on the left side, which can modify the appearance of the choice depending on the condition. Here, for example, the open room door will be modified whether you actually got the key or not, and that's modified through an alter choice block that you have right here. This block will allow you to either disable a choice, rename a choice, remove an option, make a different choice, make a choice rather look different, etc. and etc. And these changes can be linked to conditions which are related to variables. So for opening the door, here for example, you'll need to meet the variable captain's key obtained. There are also the increment and decrement block that can be named. So these blocks here, only decrement blocks only, are essential to increase or decrease the value of variables so that the condition is realized later in the scenario. So for example, one key obtained, or here for example, it's the number of loops that you have left. So to create variables is very simple. You need to go into the main menu, big blue button at the top, and then into variables, and you can create three kind of different variables. You can create Boolean variables, which are true or false variables. So here, for example, is the captain key obtained, true or false? There are numerical variables, which are represented by numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So here, for example, the number of revolution remaining, which decrease on each action, and that allows us to count down how many turns you still have left. And you also have the text variable, where the value is represented by a sequence of keyboard character. And here the characters correspond to the code that can be retracted into the safe and which must match that of the condition dedicated to be opening the safe. Simple as that. So to use this kind of code, you will find the text input block in green right here, which allow you to enter a sequence of character on the keyboard on which you will define the value of a text variable. So when I play the current module, it will look just like this. So here, to unlock the safe, we need to enter a 4-digit code, which I know to be 1650, and you can see that I can input my text right here. And the text and appearance of the box to be filled in as followed, and the one of the button are obviously customable, as well as the rest of your experience. It is basically up to you to create the environment and the escape game that you want, following either theme or not. Here, for example, was a pirate ship, but it's really up to your imagination. So that's it basically for the escape game. I will now let you get accustomed to the different blocks and basically just try on every kind of variables and possibility that you want to put to create your own escape game. And I hope this tutorial was useful, and I will see you in the very next one. Bye!